Don't forget to subscribe to our Sitare TV YouTube channel, SITAARRE TV.
गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रीमॉन्ट, हमारे प्यारे प्यारे देशवासियों। आज की सुबह एक नया दिन है, आज की सुबह एक नया इतिहास है। आज हम यहाँ इस फ्रीमॉन्ट की ज़मीन पर इंडिया की आज़ादी का जश्न मना रहे हैं। पर याद रखें, ये जश्न सिर्फ एक दिन का नहीं है, ये जश्न उन लाखों आँखों का है जिन्होंने सपने देखे, उन हज़ारों हाथों का है जिन्होंने लड़ाई लड़ी, और उन 100 सालों की कहानियों का है जिन्होंने हमें ये सांस दी। और आज हम उन वीरों को सैल्यूट करते हैं जिन्होंने अपना सब कुछ दे दिया ताकि हम ये दिन देख सकें। आई नो परेड हैज़ बीन स्टार्टेड, और हम सब मिलके यही कह रहे हैं कि जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम। और आई कैन सी द ग्रैंड मार्शल कमिंग, भाग्यश्री मैम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर, फॉर बीइंग आवर ग्रैंड मार्शल। एंड yes, can you feel the beat, Fremont? That's the sound of India's soul. All the adults are doing so good because Falun Dafa is suitable for all ages. जी हाँ, the performing teams consist of younger practitioners performing the dragon dance and mostly elderly practitioners performing the West drum dance. The exercise team is composed of practitioners of all ages. American High School AHS band provides an exciting avenue for students to learn, hone and perform their skills. Really, oh my god, they are so good. You know, I really feel good when everybody comes together to celebrate India's Independence Day. और तब लगता है कि सच्ची में, you know, like हमारा जो देश है, हमारा जो country है, it is actually making a name for itself in the world. Rudranath Dhol, they are coming, and you know, like it's the latest and most energetic Dhol Tasha group in the Bay Area. Closely aligned with Indian values, Rudranath represents a beautiful blend of culture, traditions and energy, and the power of the Dhol is so infectious. You know, it just feels like I am still in India. और मुझे लगता है दोस्तों कि आपको भी वैसा ही लग रहा है। Fremont India Day Parade has just started, and we are yet to see many more things here. And then I can see, oh my god, look at the incredible group, dosto, our future right here. Let's give a huge round of applause for Hindu Yuva. This is the youth of our community instilling pride in our heritage and promoting selfless service. They are building strong character, developing leadership skills, and reminding us all about the importance of our culture and values. They are the voice of a new generation ready to take on the world with confidence and a strong sense of purpose. Ji haan, this is our future. जी हाँ, this is the HSS Walking Group. Hindu Swaram Sevak Sangh USA is a voluntary non-profit social, educational and cultural organization. Sangh, as the organization is popularly known, aims to coordinate the Hindu American community to practice, preserve and advance ideals and values of Hindu Dharma. Ji haan, they conduct regular values-based education programs for children, youth and adults through more than 220 branches nationwide. Well, after that, what do I see? I see all the amazing cars coming by, and you can see all the dignitaries hailing. Oh, this is such a great sight. The vintage cars and all of our community leaders. I see all of them coming here and they are doing so good. You can see so many of our leaders coming in our way, and they are always here to support us.
Don't forget to subscribe to our Sitare TV YouTube channel, SITAARRE TV.
Next, I see some people dancing and singing, and you get the vibe of it all. Ji haan, I'm talking about Goa. The Goa float is coming, and it is a well-known go-to destination for tourists from all over the world to visit, relax, and enjoy extended stays. Goa is replete with rich history, culture, heritage, and beaches that beat the best in the world. Ji haan, this year Goa state government is represented by its tourist minister and tourist secretary. The float represents the rich and beautiful history and sights from Goa. You know, whenever I see the Goa float, I just feel like going back there, relaxing on the sands and having some great food, great music. That is all about Goa, guys. If you haven't been there, you have to be there because Goa has it all. Coming up next is Folk Telugu. They are representing the Telugu speaking people in India. This is the new initiative from Folk to unite the community and promote its culture and traditions. This is Folk Telugu. Coming up next in the parade, all beautiful floats are lined together, and now I can see Fog Odisha. Oh my god, Fog Odisha has made this impressive and very large float depicting one of the first freedom fighters from the state. You know, there are so many freedom fighters, and often we know about them, sometimes we forget them, but this is the true essence, like this is what India is all about. Because in India we just think that there are so and so people, but sometimes when we see these parades and we just see that so many people coming together, then we know that there are so much more to learn. And their float is representing Jai Rajaguru, and he was born in Odisha to a Brahmin family, served as a royal priest and chief minister of the Khurda kingdom under Gajapati Mukunda Devaji, and then he was recognized as India's first recorded martyr against British colonial rule in 1806. Coming up next, I can see all the floats. Oh my god, they are so colorful, and just as colorful as you all are, because dosto, you have come all the way from various places in the Bay Area just to join the India Day parade. And क्या आपको लगता है कि फ्रीमॉन्ट में इतना जोश है? जी हाँ, मुझे तो लगता है, बिकॉज यस, एवरीबडी इज़ चीयरिंग अप फॉर आवर कंट्री. और मैं आपको बताऊँ कि ये अगला जो फ्लोट है ना, ये तो सिर्फ एक फ्लोट नहीं, ये हमारे देश का प्राइड है. जैसे जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया, राइट, तो वैसे ही हमारे देश में इतने सारे सोने की चिड़िया है कि हम गिनते रह जाएंगे और ख़त्म नहीं होगा. और इसी के साथ ही साथ द नेक्स्ट फ्लोट इज़ द कलरफुल वन. जी हाँ, स्टेप इनटू द वर्ल्ड ऑफ वाइब्रेंट कल्चर विथ Fog Rajasthan. The history, the landscape, everything is there. And as we unveil their Rajasthan float inspired by enchanting Rajasthan, the float captures the essence of this stage, from lively markets to intricately designed palaces. Bhagyashree is there. Yes, she wants to dance with the Rajasthani dancers. This is so amazing. Oh my god. Thank you so much, because we know that amidst all the festivities, the float, this Rajasthan float, it's honoring Gangaur, celebrating love, adorned with decorations reminiscent of this event. Their presentation captures Rajasthan's heritage. Next up is Fog Gujarat. Ji haan, the float this year is led by Naresh and Amitabh Patel. The float depicts beautiful colors of Gujarat along with the dances, traditions and dresses that enthrall everyone. तो थोड़ा बहुत डांडिया हम भी कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा बहुत गरबा हम भी कर लेते हैं, because Fog Gujarat is always so colorful and the people over there all smiling, cheering up for our country. Ladies and gentlemen, cheer them up, because this is Fog Gujarat. Next is KKNC. They are a non-profit organization that provides a platform for Kannadigas to celebrate and promote Kannada culture. The float today honors the Hoysala dynasty, which ruled Karnataka from 11th to the 14th centuries. Renowned for their architectural genius, they built over 1500 temples, including the spectacular temples of Belur and Halebidu. This float is proudly displaying the intricate and exquisite details of Hoysala temple architecture. The base, look at the base, guys. The base features traditional animal motifs and scrolling patterns, and the temple's entrance is crowned with the figures of Vishnu and Lakshmi. Well, I can see Earth Cleans. They are a proud sponsor that focuses on conserving and protecting Earth with innovative products. We really need that, because in today's world, when everywhere we can see pollution, we definitely need solutions like Earth Cleans, and they are doing so good. Alright guys, next up is Uttarakhand float. This year they made painstakingly and beautifully representing the famous Kedarnath temple. Well, Kedarnath temple is a dream for many of us, and some people, they already achieved it. We know that what a beautiful place it is. और आपको पता ही है ना कि केदारनाथ टेम्पल में we know about the great flood, and we know the history about how the Kedarnath temple was saved.
Turn around. You get everyone. Yeah?
Next up is Bay Area Kerala Hindu and Folk. Kerala is this year representing this beautiful natural richness and cultures from Kerala. अगर आप केरला से हो तो फिर you already know about the variety that they are having. अगर आप कहीं पे भी जाते हो केरला में, the rich history and the beautiful natural abundance is something that makes it so incredible. और इसीलिए केरला tourism भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा वहाँ पे famous है. लोग वहाँ पे जाते हैं, and there are so many places to just watch, just be there, just stay, just imbibe into the nature, and that's exactly what has been shown in the Fog Kerala float. Coming up is Hindu Swayamsevak Sangh. They are a voluntary non-profit social, educational and cultural organization. Sangh, they are an organization. They aim to coordinate the Hindu American community to practice, preserve and advance ideals and values of Hindu Dharma. और इसीलिए तो they are always there. They are always there in the fog, into the parade, because they want to strengthen our community. Look at that! This year, Kashmiri Hindu Foundation joined Jewish Coalition to showcase their common values and stand against hatred and persecution. तो चलिए इनको support करते हैं, and they are, sometimes I really feel that when the community comes together, then wonders happen, and we all stand by them. We all want them to succeed in their mission, and that is the mantra for all of us Indians. There is Fog Himachal Pradesh. जी हाँ, Fog Himachal showcases rich tradition of beautiful state of Himachal Pradesh. Next up is Fog Madhya Pradesh. जी हाँ, this is the heart of our country, Madhya Pradesh. और ये सारे के सारे हमारे जो मध्य प्रदेश के लोग हैं यहाँ पे बे एरिया पे, they have come together. I know it has been started by Sanjay and Niharika, but then there are so many people right now. I think they have around 500 people in the Fog MP, and they have done such a great job, है ना? आ रहे हैं Fog Punjab. जी हाँ, we have a float representing Punjab, the Indian state known for its valor, its agriculture, enterprising people and warm-hearted hospitality. तो थोड़ा बल्ले बल्ले हम भी यहाँ पे कर लेते हैं, शाबा शाबा भी कर लेते हैं. तो हम जब भी पंजाब के बारे में सोचते हैं, we always think about their bhangra and their gidda, because Punjab is a state at the forefront of contributing to India's economy and sports. Next up is Haryanvi Bay Area Association. जी हाँ, this year beautifully blend and traditional agriculture farm life that revolves around agri-equipment such as tractor with the high technology represented by electronic devices. Haryana people, how are you? Ram Ram, कैसे हैं आप? This is always so interesting to see all of you coming together. You're a huge community and you all put up the best in the India Day parade. So thank you so much for being there.
Alright, here we go. Hero goes there. So there goes one there. Wow, this is good. Alright, a lot of energy over there. Those beautiful Haryana ladies, they make us proud. They bring us a lot of medals, Olympic medals, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, these Olympian ladies are right over here. Thank you, Madhu. Thank you, Mamta. Thank you, everybody out there. Thank you. So nice, beautiful. Wonderful, thank you. Beautiful dance, beautiful lady. Of course, they're very athletic. As you know, athleticism is only among Haryana ladies. We are so proud of you. We'll be seeing your dance on the stage later on. Thank you.
These are the moments जब हम कहते हैं कि सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी because we are actually there. And right now we have PG&E and we are proud partner in the 33rd India Parade. Thank you so much PG&E for always being there.
Next up is AC Transit. They are our proud sponsor and AC Transit is making our life so much easier in and around Bay Area. जहाँ पे भी आप जाना चाहते हैं, you know that you can always take AC Transit. Look at FUSD, Fremont Unified School District School Bus. It proudly represents the top-rated school life in Fremont, represented by the superintendent and board trustees. FUSD is a strong partner with our community and FOG. Thank you so much, Vivek, for all you do and through FUSD, and we are so proud to have you in the FUSD team. Thank you so much, and FUSD, you are the best, right? Next up is PG&E and they are our proud sponsor this year. We are all beneficiaries of their hard work by enjoying electricity that drives the modern life. Thank you so much. Well, India Day parade में I think that was mostly like all of it. दोस्तों, इस शानदार परेड का आखिरी पल आ गया है. Look around you, Fremont. Look at the sea of faces. We are not just a crowd, we are a family. आज हमने देखा कि हमारी आज़ादी कितनी अनमोल है, कितनी मेहनत से मिली है और कितनी खुशी से हम इसे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. यहाँ पर हज़ारों मील दूर, देश से इतना ज़्यादा दूर, हमने अपने देश का झंडा ऊंचा रखा है और हमने दिखाया कि भारत का दिल हर हिंदुस्तानी के सीने में धड़कता है. तो चाहे वो कहीं भी हो, वो USA में हो, UK में हो या फिर कहीं पे भी हो, तो चलिए इस झंडे को सल्यूट करते हैं, उस देश को सल्यूट करते हैं जहां से हम आए हैं और उस देश को सल्यूट करते हैं जहां हमने अपना घर बनाया है. तो यस, लेट्स से इट टुगेदर विद ऑल आवर हार्ट, विद ऑल आवर जोश. वंदे मातरम, जय हिंद. थैंक यू सो मच Fremont. We will definitely see you all next year. This is Rini signing off and I just wish that every year after year आप सब साथ मिलके आए सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए इंडिया डे परेड इन द हार्ट ऑफ फ्रीमॉन्ट. थैंक यू सो मच फेस्टिवल ऑफ ग्लोब. थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर रमेश जापरा. थैंक यू सो मच द एंटायर टीम ऑफ FOG, and thank you so much our Grand Marshal Bhagyashri. Everybody came together, and thank you so much to everybody, all the spectators who came today, who cheered us up and who are always there with us in this India Day parade. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
संगम ये जीवन गीतों की माला, हम अपने भगवान India. I love my India.
India, India, I love my India. Sim sim bola bola, sim sim bola, sim sim bola bola, sim sim bola. Fine flat fruit pipe, pachola pachola. Run run you play, simbola simbola. Dore faso,
Pamarisa,
dore faso,
pamarisa,
dore faso,
pamarisa,
dore faso,
pamarisa.
Man, we have a superstar right over here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, thank you. Moria!
गणपति बाप्पा मंगल मूर्ति गणपति बाप्पा मंगल मूर्ति गणपति बाप्पा मंगल मूर्ति
Don't forget to subscribe to our Sitare TV YouTube channel, SITAARRE TV.